Hey guys, today I want to make this video to go over all the niche options that you can get in a shower, what they cost, and how much extras they're going to add to your shower. So stay tuned. I'll go in order of the nicest looking to the most affordable. The nicest looking one would be, in my opinion, something like this. So this is a fully tiled shower. We're going to be using large format tiles right on the wall, and we're going to miter the tile edge. So basically you'll never see, if you cut the tile, then the cut edge is not glazed. So you don't see that nice ceramic or porcelain top with a pattern or color on it. It's going to be a different color. So when we cut it at a 45-degree angle, we're going to be able to use the same tile and never really have a exposed tile edge. So this way, as you can see on the right here, we have a very seamless look, and that's in my opinion, this is the best look to get, and this one takes the most amount of work. Generally, you're going to be looking at anywhere between $800 to like a $1,500 addition, depending on how big of a niche that you get and how complicated it is. Because some niches, you're going to have like a divider in the middle, or what have you. So those can cost more. The middle ground for both the difficulty and also how it looks is we're to use maybe a marble or a quartz material to have a niche. So the detail here is that it can still look pretty good. So in this case, they have the same marble as a wall tile anyway, so it looks pretty blended in. But just imagine if you were to have a different wall tile, then the marble can look a little bit more out of place. So the idea here is that the marble, because it looks the same, whether it's the face or on the cut edges, you can just use it to frame it out. And typically, when you do things this way, you're going to have the niche extend just a little bit farther away from the wall. So you see here, you can visibly see a shadow line created by the light. And some people may like it, some people may not. But this is also a look that's sort of the middle ground between both. And if you happen to have a nice material that you want to work with, this could be a very good way to go about it. Now, the most affordable option, and something that I don't necessarily like the looks of, is one of these niches. And this one just picked from Amazon. This would be a niche that's pre-made. So it's either usually it's metal or sometimes it's plastic. You have a brush metal look. You have like a whole black, a all white, or some kind of pattern. But basically, you would put your tile against this inner edge here, and then this niche comes with a little lip to cover the exposed cut edge of the tile. This could be a very affordable and easy to use option, because this one you literally just put it in. It takes no time at all. So yeah, I hope this gives you some perspective, because to do something like this one from Amazon right now, it's only like $130. And to install, you literally just use some silicone to put it in. So basically it costs nothing to install. And versus this marble tile, you're going to be looking at maybe between $300 to $500, depending on how big it is, how complicated it is. But this one's a lot easier. And then with the mitered tile edges, it just takes a lot more skill and a lot more steps involved. So you're going to be looking at between usually $800 to $1,500. All right, hope this helps, and stay tuned for more tile and shower renovation ideas.